Really? You're trying to pretend not to remember me. This man here is my boyfriend.
What?
I don't even understand what is going on here. Mom, is this the guy you've been telling us about? Your boyfriend?
What's going on? And who is this thing? How did she enter my house?
She's my ex. We've broken up a long time ago.
And to be with a mother and her child, you should be ashamed of yourself.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Because he clearly rejected you. Why are you forcing yourself on him?
Oh girl, you and your mother here should be the ones ashamed of yourselves. Yes, just take a good look at you. You and your mother fighting for Desmond's tiny dick.
Motherfucker has sworn not to stop.
What's about calling you?
Oh, they said strawberry no longer exists. Here you are with your rose, chased by love. You know, you just like all this lovey, sweet story I always see on Nollywood.
This is no joke, Edna. Should have known I was talking to an insane person.
I have zero idea about this. And if you want to know the person that sent it to you, there's a note there, open it and read it. Yeah.
Are you sure you don't know who's been sending me these flowers?
I have no idea. Open the note.
How many times do I need to call you before you show up?
Sorry, ma, I was coming when you were still coming.
Oh, shut up!
Yes, ma'am.
Get these things out of my office.
Yes, ma'am.
Burn them. Burn them. All of it. Take this.
Nancy.
Edna?
Did you just ask him to trash those items?
No. I asked him to burn them.
Aren't you ever gonna get fatigued burning those items?
The propensity for me burning those stupid flowers is clearly hinged on the sender's proclivity and determination to continue sending those stupid flowers to me. As long as he continues to send them, I will continue to burn them. This is a send and burn situation. Let's see who gets tired first. Now for the up-10th time, I have asked you to stop sending me those stupid cheap flowers of yours. Really? Okay. Listen to me. The next time you call my number, I will ask the police to arrest you. Do you understand me? Shut up! I am still talking. Useless he-goat. Don't call this number again. How in the blue heck did this bastard even get my number?
Why are you directly listening to me?
have no idea about it. Come on, do you think I gave out your number? Come to think of it, I think this guy knows you very well. He knows a lot about you. Your number, your office, going to send the flowers and those items to you. He knows you very well. And I kinda like him. I like the guy.
You what?
Girl, this is quite cute and beautiful. If it to be me, oh, this guy would have swept me off my feet.
Well, that is because you are love hungry. I am not.
I won't get provoked by you. You know what? Deal with your mystery man. After my office.
Am I supposed to apologize?
Whatever.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not. Can you take it outside?
No, thank you all for spoiling my day.
Do I need a man? Do I need a man? Oh yeah.
Listen, girl, I just gave you an offer. You don't like it? It's simple. I will take it back. The choice is yours. I understand. Now quit being unreasonable.
Bestie, who are you threatening?
Just some stubborn grasshopper.
You were talking to a grasshopper?
Nancy, that was not what Mom meant.
But you heard her. She said she was talking to a grasshopper. Didn't you?
Food is getting cold.
Oh, Mom, I am completely famished.
Bestie, have you noticed Edna increased frequency in the house lately?
Well, what do you expect when you have a friend whose mom cooks great meals? That's what you get. Let's go. Bestie? You still at it?
Bestie, you're still awake.
Oh, I woke to check on you. You were doing this when I said goodnight. It's 3 a.m. You're still at it?
Bestie, I have a seminar tomorrow, and plus the external auditors are coming tomorrow, so I really have to do this. I have to finish up with this, but I promise to go back to sleep once I'm done.
Seminar. Auditor?
Yes.
It's funny, I was CEO of that conglomerate for over 2 decades, and not once did I do all these things you're doing.
Well, you can tell the difference by who is CEO now.
Oh, you had to slap that one right in my face.
No, Mom, but no, you're a hard worker.
Yes, I am.
So I take after you.
I'm proud of you.
I love you, Mom.
Oh, wait. The flower sender is still at it. Huh? The flowers, they're still coming from the secret admirer. What are you doing?
Mom, well, I think this is where we say goodnight. I am tired. It's almost 3 o'clock a.m. and I haven't rested. So can I just sleep? Mom, I have headache. Oh, gosh.
Running away from the discussion, aren't you?
No, Mom, can you drop this?
You're running away.
Mommy, I need to sleep. Bestie, good night. I love you.
Bestie.
Bestie.
Flowers.
I need to sleep.
Flowers for the lady.
You can get flowers, Mommy. I promise to buy you flowers tomorrow, okay?
Flowers for the lady.
Yes, well, I'll get you flowers.
Good night, child.
Good night, mommy. Good night, Mercy.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not. Can you take it outside? Do I need a man to pay my bills? Do I need a man for my own? Do I need a man to control me? Oh yeah, that's impossible. Do I need a man to pay my bills? Do I need a man for my own? Oh yeah, do I? Yeah.
You won't believe this. Come with me.
What's going on? Let's go. Come on.
Ta-da!
For you, babe.
He just got you a new car.
What?
Yeah, I got you a new car. It's parked outside.
Take this out of my face. Now listen to me for your best interest. Stay the hell away from me.
I bought the car and I thought you would like it.
Well, you thought wrong. I do not need your cheap car.
Nancy.
Wait, hold up. Are you the same person who has been pestering me with stupid flowers? Are you?
Come on, flowers. I've never sent any flowers to you, babe.
Don't call me babe. Don't do that.
Nancy! Come on!
What?
At least say thank you. Appreciate, please.
Well, I'm not being appreciative because I do not need it. Edna? Did you pull this up for him?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know no one stands you.
What does she mean by that? Oh, God.
I don't understand. If she doesn't like the car, I just thought she would be needing the car to ease stress for her, going from the office to the house and all that. If she doesn't like the car, I can get something better.
Geoffrey, it's not about the car. It's about you.
About me?
Yes.
I don't understand. She doesn't like me. Well, you said she...
Forget about what I told you. Right now, she's very, very upset. Come, let me tell you. Okay?
So what next now?
Don't worry. Leave that to me. I'll handle it. Right now, I need to go. I'll talk to her, okay? Sorry about that. Nancy!
Can you imagine? Got a car for me. Can't I buy a car for myself? I just walk into my office without my permission. And you got a car for me. What stupid car? Can you imagine?
Nancy, can you make me understand why you always blow it in my face anytime someone tries to make you happy with my help? You just embarrassed me out there.
You got what you deserve, Edna.
That doesn't sound like an apology.
I was not apologizing. That lunatic came to my workspace without my consent and you facilitated that. So will you tell me who should be on their knees begging the other at this point? Is it really me?
Does it occur to you just turned down a car gift? I don't even have an idea what it might have cost this guy to put that for you.
I don't care, Edna. I don't give 2 cents. It's not my business. I did not ask for a car. I can get a car for myself, whatever brand it is, I can afford it. I'm a businesswoman, I have money, I can... Why don't you get it? I don't need a man, I don't need a car from not talk of Geoffrey. I don't need a car from him, please.
Let me be honest with you as your friend. You seriously need to speak to a therapist.
It is you who need to see a therapist, not me. It is you, Bestie, and the stupid Geoffrey that need to see a therapist, not me. Can you imagine this nonsense? Need to see a therapist. It is you, and remember to take the stupid car alongside with you. Nonsense.
I am aware that Jeffrey presented a car gift to you today. Not only did you turn it down, you embarrassed him.
I did not ask for a car from Jeffrey.
Are you aware it was me who told him the car specifics to get for you?
Then the car is yours, not mine.
Girl, don't you play with me. I didn't ask him for a car.
Neither did I.
Are you aware that the hardest thing for a lady to have is a man that makes it rain, a man that makes her happy? Are you aware?
I am totally aware of that, bestie.
Why then are you throwing what you have away on a platter?
First of all, I did not ask for love and commitment from him or any man out there. Second of all, he is clearly wasting his time and resources on a girl, me. Third of all, it is silly for him to think that reporting me to my mother will have me change my mind and look his way.
You are unbelievable.
Just like you.
Bestie? Bestie?
Mom? Yes. You're not sleeping?
No.
Oh, it's late. Oh.
Are you up? I want to talk to you.
Talk to me about what? Can I wait till morning?
Girl, please. Most nights you work even later than this hour.
Alright, Mom, I'm listening.
Okay. You know I had you when I was 14.
You say that all the time.
Well, it breaks my heart to see you treading the path I trod when I was younger.
What do you mean?
I hated men. And now here you are with so much dislike for men.
Mom, I don't dislike men.
You hate them?
No, I don't have space for men at this point of my life. It's just work. I mean, you left the company for me. If I focus on men, it's gonna be a distraction to me. And I don't want to fail, Mom.
That's the point. You are using work as an excuse not to live your life like a normal young girl should.
Because men are daisy, Mommy.
Really? Listen to me. It will open your eyes, girl.
Huh?
It breaks my heart to see you living such a loner lifestyle.
Mom, I have you.
Stop using work as an excuse. And no, you may have me, but not in that light. I'm not a man. You need a man.
Mom, it's late. Can I go back to sleep?
Nancy?
Oh?
Are you a lesbian?
No. No! No, I am no lesbian. Mom, I think it's time we just go back to sleep. I am tired. My head, I have pains all over my arm, my chest, every place. Oh God, Mommy, good night. Good night, Mom. I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay? Mom?
Good night, child.
Good night, Mommy.
I don't need a man. I don't need a man.
you?
Everything is wrong.
Really?
Yes.
Desmond, I don't get it. How does insulting your mother any equal to those hurtful things she said to me?
But I told you that my mom doesn't like women dressing up like this.
Really?
Yes.
Desmond, how is that my business? I don't care. Do I look like I care? I am Ifnanya and not your mother. You don't expect me to discomfort myself so as to please your mother. For what now? Who does that?
Really?
Yes.
Just take another look at yourself. Which same girl would dress up like this to go see her soon-to-be mother-in-law?
A girl who is bred and brought up in a good civilization, not in the wrong of the people. Yes.
So this nonsense you're putting on accentuates or complements your civility, eh? Take it. Just get out of my house!
Listen, Desmond, I go nowhere. How about you just throw me?
I said, shut up before I take the demons out of your life.
It's a lady.
Hey, what? You just don't walk up here and just say your cock and bull story without even finding out what happened.
What else do I need to know that transpired aside the fact that I just saw you push her? Who raised you? A goat?
My mother.
No, your mother did the dirty work.
You know what? I don't have time for scumbag like you.
Your mother is the scumbag.
No, you woman.
You big brute. Shameless bully. Is he your boyfriend?
Yes, ma.
Oh, you sure you know how to pick him? Did he hurt you? Come on, out of the road. Come with me before another of his kind come rape you here in the public place. You mean to tell me you lost a good and kind man to irresponsible dressing?
Ma, he told me it was over.
Of course. What were you expecting him to say? That it's only beginning for you two? I mean, not after the misconduct you displayed before his mother. Ah, poor woman.
Ma, truly, it's not me. It's my anger issue.
What anger issues? Was it also your anger that advised you to wear this? Oh, and there I was, cursing out on that poor young chap.
Ma, do you think he'll ever forgive me?
If you were him, will you forgive you?
No.
There you go. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Wow. All I ever wanted was to come back home. America is a crazy place to survive in.
I know. That means it's a miracle that you're back in one good piece.
You can say that again. And it's a pleasure to see you once again.
I know. Look at you. You're a grown man now. I mean, you were a little above 18 years when you left.
I'm shy.
Don't be.
I wish I never returned.
Don't say that. Is that how westernized you have become?
No. It's all about the good life. You know, over there, everything is automated. Here in this country, everything is just upside down.
We have everything in this country.
Oh, I wish that is true.
You're saying I'm lying now?
No, I never said that.
Well, I do know for a fact that your childhood friend will be happy that you're back.
You mean Nancy?
Oh God, I have only one child, Malcolm.
I believe she is changed now.
She's an angel.
Oh, you know, she used to be weird. mood swings. I personally couldn't stand her phobia for boys.
She's completely changed now. She's a different person.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that is very nice. I wish to see it.
Tell me, why you come back?
Oh.
Bestie?
Yes, Bestie.
Guess who came around today?
Who?
I said guess.
You know I'm not good at guessing. Just tell me already. Who?
Malcolm.
Malcolm.
Malcolm? Seriously?
Oh! Malcolm!
Your childhood friend, Malcolm.
Malcolm! Really?
Mm-hmm.
How?
Girl, you should see him. He is so grown, so cute, rich, and well-built.
Bestie?
What?
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to do?
I'm just saying, he's back. He told me he came back to settle down. That is commendable, considering that other men would return home with strange ladies, but he decides to take a bride from home. That's a good boy.
People have different choices.
Well, I like his choice.
Well, I hate to disagree with you, but I don't think I like it. Anyways, did he say the final word already?
How am I supposed to know?
Does she sound like one who is already involved in his wedding planning committee?
Seriously?
Yeah.
I'm just happy. He's like my son.
We're all happy, but you're overdoing it.
I'm not. You're overthinking it. Malcolm!
Malcolm!
Mommy, this is crazy. It's going to be hard for me to convince her otherwise. You know how she feels about men.
Well, she is my daughter and she's your friend, and so we have to find her a man.
Mom, I think we should just respect her decision.
Her decision of staying single forever? Does she want to become a nun?
Mom, she has never said she will not get married. What she said is she's not ready yet.
If we keep letting her say that continually, she will never cease to sound like a broken record. The guy in question really likes her.
And the question is, does she like the guy?
Well, your guess is as good as mine, darling. Listen, if we who care about her continue to leave this in her plate, guess what will happen? It will never be gotten over with.
Mom, you know how my marriage went. I am not happy to be divorced at this age. You know, men can be a lot. You can testify to this.
I know what you mean, girl. I completely understand where you're coming from, but I can guarantee you that this is different.
This is different? How, Mom?
Malcolm has been her childhood friend, and he was a good boy the entire time.
Mom, you are talking about a full-grown adult now, compared to a child that you used to know. More so, this guy has spent half of his life in America. Come on, Mom!
America or not, he loves her. He confided in me, saying that the reason he came back to the country was to marry Nancy. So you see that this lofty expectation should not be punctured or twatted on the altar of some girl who has strong dislike for men for no crystal reason. Don't stress me like she is already. Are you telling her or not?
Mom, why can't this guy talk to her? Or are we going to marry her for him?
Are you going to speak to her or not?
As I can see now, I have no choice. I'll do it.
Get on with it.
Well,
Go on.
it works. I pray it works, Mom.
Counting on you, girl. You know how women can be. Yes, I'm pretty sure you're used to that kind of behavior where you come from. Nonetheless, don't let it make you relent in your efforts. I'll keep trying my best from over here. Of course. Okay, talk to you later.
I've been waiting for you.
Yes, I understand.
She won't believe what happened today. What? Tell me about it. What happened? Can you imagine Malcolm coming to ask me to marry him?
He did. That is such great news. I mean, if you ask me, it's great news. I hope you didn't.
Of course, I said no to him.
What?
Yes.
Why? What is the matter with you?
Why would he even do that? Is that how they marry people in some part of America?
What is the matter with you? Malcolm? Of all people?
What do you mean, Malcolm of all people? What's so special about him?
You two were childhood friends.
Mommy, those were childhood days. I am no longer the Nancy.
What does that even mean?
Bestie, please, please. Don't spoil the air. Can we go? You good?
Should I be good?
Don't worry, we'll be fine.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not.
Yes.
Can you take it outside?
I'm not forcing you to do anything. But can't you just give this guy a chance, please?
Edna, I am not giving Malcolm a chance or any other man out there. Having a man in my life now will be a distraction to me, my work, and my life.
Tell me, how is it having a boyfriend a distraction?
It's almost 3 years since you broke up with Frank. Okay, since you got a divorce with Frank. How come you haven't got someone for yourself just yet?
We are not doing competition here.
I am not competing with anyone. I am simply telling you, Bestie and Malcolm, that I do not need a man in my life. Like, can you all just leave me the hell alone?
It's okay. Can you now understand why your mom thinks that you are a lesbian?
What?
What is what?
I am not a lesbian. Look, Edna, you know I am not a lesbian, okay? Subsequently, I'll have a man, but not just now. Maybe later, years to come, I will.
When you're 50, right?
But really,
You think by that time you're still fresh, right?
You guys, I expect you, Edna, and my mom to be the ones to understand me. But you guys are stressing me the most.
You want the best.
So a man is the best for me. A grown-ass woman like me, a man is the best thing in my life. Come on.
Mom,
Yes.
Dad sent his regard.
Oh, it's nice. It's been a while I heard from your dad.
Yes.
How is he these days?
It's fine.
Mm-hmm.
It's fine.
Good. Tell me, how has it been catching up with Nancy? It almost feels like you two are going to have to start from scratch now. Doesn't it seem that way, Edna?
Most definitely, Mom.
So how's it going?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Mom, I think you should ask Nancy that question.
Nancy? Baby, what's wrong? Are you trying to break your plate with a spoon? Tell me, how has it been catching up with Malcolm?
Well, I think he's stalking me and placing a major distraction to my work and commitment at the moment.
Oops. What are you oopsing about? Go on and get your friend.
Yes, Mom.
She'll still be here for this.
Nancy!
Relax, it's just the initial attitude that women give.
Mom, did she know she was going to be that expensive woman? Because she's still the same way she was while we were very little. Excuse me.
Mom, where's Malcolm?
He just left. Do you see the kind of girl your friend is?
Mom, don't worry. Let me go and talk to him.
You have to go, please.
Listen, I don't have to stay neither. The person I came here to see doesn't want to see me. So I don't think I have any reason hanging around this place.
At least you know her very well. You know her character, you know her attitude. Just give her time. Be patient, please.
Look, are we supposed to freeze our life till Nancy makes up her mind? Then we will now unfreeze it and live by the way she wants, or what?
It's not like that. If it doesn't work out today, tomorrow. We need to keep pushing. You don't need to give up.
Listen, you have tried your best. In fact, all of us have tried our best. But you see people like that? You see people like Nancy? There is usually no guarantee of tomorrow around them. So there's no need of me wasting my time with that girl.
So, you're backing out?
Of course.
You don't need to give up. You need to fight with someone you love. You don't need to give up. Come on.
Just look at me very well. Am I not handsome enough? With my money and everything. Listen, I need to go and pull off my hair. I'm tired of this shit. I'm not ready for this.
I don't need a man. I don't need a man. I don't need a man.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not. Can you take it outside? Do I need a man?
Press it. How are you? Mom?
I haven't seen Malcolm since the last incident.
Means he got the message then. I mean, everyone is happy.
You mean you are happy? You with your selfish self.
Mom?
You know, the outturn of events lately has got me thinking that maybe it's time I climbed off your back just so I can do me.
I doubt I understand that.
Since you seem to be doing fine without a man in your life, I, on the other hand, will get a man for myself because I deserve it.
Wow, that is great. It is not my business. It is squarely your choice.
You think this is a jamboree?
No, Mommy. I know you're not kidding. Look, I am 100% in support of it. You can go ahead and get a man. You have my blessings. Excuse me, Edna.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just stop with all this mama? Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. It's really annoying. Why? You've been calling me ma for some days now. I keep ignoring it. Just stop it, please. I don't like it.
The last time I checked, I'm just a maid personal assistant. We're only trying to see if we can be friends.
Oh, come on, Edna. You're my friend. You've always been a good friend to me and you remain that way.
I'm so sorry, ma. These are the files you asked me to bring. I have a lot on my desk to be finished up. Excuse me.
What is wrong with everybody? Why are they all acting up?
What are you doing here? I thought we agreed you never show up here.
Well, you know I'm sick and tired of that agreement. It's yielding nothing.
So you want to reveal yourself to her, right?
If that's what it's going to take for her to look me in the face, I'm tired.
I will not let you do it. You can't.
Are you going to stop me?
You have to go back.
Why?
I will not let you see Nancy. Go back.
Tell me.
Why?
Hey, Nancy.
Hey! Edna?
Yes.
Who's this guy?
Yeah, your lifetime crush.
Excuse me. He's a nobody and he's sick and crazy. Let's just go back to the office.
No. He doesn't look it to me. Excuse me, mister. Do I know you?
Yeah, my name is Desmond.
Go ahead.
What? Did the cat get your tongue?
No, just...
Nancy? I'm looking at this guy. He's sick and he's...
You know what, I'm going to say it. It might sound weird and crazy. Let's see, I've been the guy stalking you, sending all those gifts, the love notes, and all those amazing stuffs.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Nice to meet you. I didn't know you were such a big fool.
Excuse me.
Excuse you what? Aren't you a fool? So look at yourself, a grown-ass man like you. You don't have the balls to walk up to me and tell me you have feelings for me?
No!
Shut up! I'm not done talking, dummy. Edna? Why were you trying to stop him from talking to me? What? What? Did you hear me?
Like I said, this guy is sick and he's crazy.
He doesn't look sick to me.
Yeah.
Nancy, let's just go back to the office, please.
I am going nowhere until someone speaks up.
Yeah, I'm going to speak first.
You dare not utter a word.
You will not the judge here, Edna, so shut up.
Thank you. So she's been the one giving me heads up about you.
Babe.
Hey, hey.
Oh, yeah, hey, babe. Do you like her?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Like you don't know. You said the way you're looking at her.
Okay, can you just stop being dramatic? Okay? Hey, let's just go get what we're looking for.
Okay. Let's go. It's okay. Let's go.
You again?
Yes, me again.
What do you want?
You already know what I want. I saw her by the convenience.
Because you wanted to use the restroom. Can you just go?
Yo, I am not going until you give me an answer of peace.
What answer of peace are you talking about? Because I owe you nothing.
Then I'm going nowhere.
Young man, listen to me. My friend is a bad energy and she'll spoil your mood. She doesn't like men.
Is she a cure?
Far from that, my friend is too busy that she doesn't have time for any man. You see?
You know you can still help me talk to her.
Okay. This is my card. Call me and I'll give you all the necessary information about her. But you must be anonymous and never, when I say never, never show up in our office. Understood?
Gracias.
You can go.
You've been given a total loafer. Information about me?
It's not what you think. Just that you
Shut up, Edna! You don't know one stands you.
Did I ruin anything?
You stay the fuck away from me. No one stands you.
What does that even mean? She didn't say that to me, she said it to you.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not. Can you take it outside? Do I need a man to pay my
Can you just calm down or stand here and blame me for everything?
Just listen to your friend.
Mom, you don't know what happened out there, so it would be better if you just stay out of it.
She told me everything.
But we just got back. Wait, hold on. How did my mom find out about this?
There's something called a telephone. You left your friend behind after your crush accosted you.
Why don't you tell my mom? You know no one stands you.
Mom, I think she's mad at me.
Relax, you'll get over it.
Mom, are you sure? I was just trying to help.
She'll come around.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not. Can you take it outside? Do I need a man to pay my bills? Do I need a man to call my own? Do I need a man to control me? Oh yeah, it's impossible. Do I need a man?
Well, hello. Aren't you the rude guy?
Excuse me?
The rude guy. You don't remember me?
I do. The woman fighter, yeah?
Oh, so that's what you're going to remember me by. What's wrong? You look burdened.
Yes, I am.
Tell me about it.
No, not my kind of problem.
A problem shared is half solved.
Okay. I've been trying to get the wrong girl and she told me off a while ago.
What kind of girl is the wrong girl?
The one who would never give you attention no matter what you say or how hard you try.
I see. Tell me more.
Yeah, I know. I think I've said enough.
Bestie? Bestie?
Where did she go?
Hello. Looking for me?
What's up? Where have you been?
I went out with a new friend of mine.
Male? Female?
Male, of course. And he is a fantastic fellow.
Okay. Good for you.
What about you?
I went out with Edna. We went out together.
Edna. That's your female friend.
Yes.
Baby, what you need is a man in your life. A male friend. That's what you need.
You know, I was never wrong about you, Mom.
What?
Because I knew that was where this whole conversation was headed.
Of course. You know me.
Of course, Bestie. Good night.
You are missing out. You are definitely missing out on a lot. But you don't know.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not. Can you take it outside? Do I need a man to pay my bills? Do I need a man to call my own? Do I need a man to control me? Oh yeah, that's impossible. Do I need a man to pay my bills? Do I need a man to call my own? Oh yeah, do I?
You will not believe what I'm about to say.
Say it.
My mom is getting into a relationship.
Wow. That's so beautiful.
I said my mom, not me.
I heard you loud and clear. And who is this lucky guy?
Are you serious? Do you realize my mom is in her 40s? Why would she be getting in twin at that age? My mom is of age.
Of age? Of what age? Life begins at 40. So, I'm happy for her, and that is it.
So, you're telling me you're in support of this?
You were saying it in a wrong way. I support your mom. Yes. She has found love. All we need to do is be happy for her, right?
You know, if someone should tell me you don't smoke weed, I won't concur to that because it is obvious you smoke.
Let me tell you this. You, as a young girl, you have said bye-bye to love. You don't want to have anything to do with love. And your mother, she has said to herself, I won't let my past stop me from falling in love. And God has blessed her with a sweet guy. And she has said yes to love once again in her life. And you want me not to be happy for her. My darling, no, I am so happy for her. Yes. And as for that weed, if you want to smoke with me, you are free to smoke so that you can open your eyes and see that love is a beautiful thing. Don't judge EKE. Woo!
Hello, Bestie. You're back late.
Yes, and now I have some other time to do.
Oh,
Where are you going?
you going on dates?
It's almost 9 p.m.
I know. I'm going on a date. I'm an adult. I can take care of myself.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not. Can you take it outside?
You are so silly. Stop it. Of course, I know you like it when I spoil you. Don't you? You're a bad boy. Okay. You have to hang up now. When I'm done having breakfast, I'll call you. I love you too, sugar. Bye-bye. Bye. Good morning, bestie.
Good morning, bestie.
How are you?
I'm good.
Whew.
You're not taking it easy with this your new boyfriend, are you?
Baby. No. Not even 1,000 shines from the spotlight can quench what I feel for this
Can you
guy.
just go slowly?
Why? What about adults?
Because men are Daisy, Mom.
What did she say? Men are what?
Daisy.
Girl, shut up. You don't know nothing about men. Look at her. Trying to give me relationship advice when she's never been in a relationship.
Does it really matter?
Yes, it does. Sometimes one has to be real. I'm being real with you. You are in no position to give me relationship
I
advice.
can see you want to come at me now.
No. I'm just gonna...
How old is this your man?
Oh, he's in his 30s.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Mom.
What?
That is just a little above my age.
Is that right?
So you're involved with a toddler?
Oh my God, I can't hear you correctly.
You're involved with a kid?
Say that again.
A young boy.
I can't hear you. Something with the noise.
Mom.
You're talking gibberish.
Mom? Jesus Christ. Daddy?
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do. I don't care if you like me or not. Can you take it outside? Do I need a man to pay my bills? Do I need a man to call my own? Do I need a man to control me? Oh yeah, it's impossible.
Well, hello, bestie. What's up?
Are we even still besties?
What? How can you even ask me that? You know you're my baby.
There is something I want us to talk about.
Now?
Now.
Oh, maybe I have to go.
Mom, it is important. Can we just talk, please?
I have kept him waiting for over 30 minutes. I can't wait more.
Oh, I knew it. It's been about him. It's always about him. Even when I need your attention, you want to trade it for him? Do you even care about me anymore?
I care about you. A lot. I'm gonna go, and when I come back, I promise we'll sit down and talk. Okay? Bye!
I don't care who you are, come from, what you do.
Nancy,
I don't care if you
I can see that you are so jealous of your mother's relationship.
What? No. Oh, come on, Edna, you know me. I don't give 2 cents about men. I don't care about men. You know how men irritate me. Look, I'm just so angry because my mom is overdoing it. She's overshowing this boy love. And it's really annoying. You know how Daisy men can be, and my mother has chosen to ignore it.
Nancy,
Like she has fallen for this man.
You. See the way you're talking about men as if you know something about men. Listen to me, you know nothing about men. You have no idea about men because you have no experience about men.
Oh, madam, experience. Do you realize this is the 21st century where I have access to all information I want to lay my hands on? Look, I don't need to have a man in my life before I understand how men function. I know men. I have studied men. Do you understand? Alright, come to think of it. What of your flower boy, Desmond? Why did he stop coming? Have you asked yourself why?
He didn't stop coming. You asked him to stop coming.
It doesn't matter. It's still the same thing.
Actually, it's true. He stopped sending flowers. The last was the other day he showed up.
Voila! There we go. Look, a man comes into a woman's life for just 2 reasons. If you have money, they'll come for you. If you're beautiful, they come for sex. Now, if you have both, they make sure they ridicule you and collect both of it.
Is that what you think?
It is what it is, baby. Alright, let me ask you this. Nothing personal, just a question, okay? Why did your husband leave you, madam? Good sex?
What are you trying to imply? That my husband and I had a bad sex life?
Well, it seems so. Because why would a man leave a beautiful girl like you and go outside to cheat?
It wasn't about me.
What was it then?
The other thing you said.
There you go, Edna. We are both on the same point. At least we are agreeing to something for once. Look, he came to you because you were beautiful. He had sex with you, he used you. Sorry, yes, he did. He used you and dumped you. Maybe if just maybe you had money, he would have stuck around and maybe just do 1 or 2.
I wasn't poor when I got married to my husband.
It still doesn't change the fact that he left you to go outside and cheat with another one.
Enough! Enough of this topic. I'm finding it so irritating.
Me too, baby.
I'm leaving. Boss. I think it's time for us to talk to her. Talk to her again, please.
I have told Nancy virtually everything a woman can tell a daughter. You told me Malcolm has started to stop by the office.
Yes, Mom. I had to stop him from coming.
Why? He's supposed to continue to make appearances for closure and persistence.
Mom, Nancy always made a fuss out of it anytime that guy showed up in the office. So I had to tell him to stop coming.
So if she detests men, why then is she pained that I'm seeing a man?
Wow. It works, Mom.
I have an idea.
So, what are you going to do?
Hello, bestie. Hi.
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 You're back early.
Yes, I came back early because of work. I need to rest.
Oh, okay. There's someone I'd like you to meet.
How is that?
Guess?
Your new boyfriend?
How did you know?
Because it's the only one who's making you happy lately.
Don't say that. You make me happy too.
Did I lie?
You make me really happy, girl.
Oh, stop.
What?
Oh, stop. I mean, we both know the truth.
What is the truth?
Anyways, when is this meeting supposed to be? I hope I don't get to dislike him at first sight.
Girl, it won't even matter. Because he's mine, not yours.
Really?
Yes.
So why am I meeting him?
I'm joking with you. I'm joking. You are going to meet him. And guess what? You will love him. Oh, he's a great guy.
I don't think so. I don't think there's any man who is capable of making me like him. Because all that matters to me at this point is my work, my career.
Here we go again.
Yeah. Anyways, if you bring him home, I'll meet him.
I'm not bringing him home. I mean, we have a better scenery in mind. Cozy, outdoorsy, serene, romantic. You know what I mean.
You're not aging.
No, I'm not. So, come on, let's go.
Mommy, I was working when you came in.
You work a lot.
I want to go back to work.
Girl, you work
Because I was born to work. Just go back and talk to your boyfriend. I'll join you later.
No, I will. I'll catch you next time.
Boyfriend. Don't you guys have something else to do?
So, you were so upset you couldn't come by the house anymore.
I just needed to ease off for the time being.
So devastating for you.
It's fine. I'm okay now. I think I can now go back to the States.
You're going back to America?
Yes. The reason why I came back has been defeated. So there's no need of me hanging around this country.
Oh, Nancy. Look at how badly she has messed things up.
It's fine. I believe we should not pressure someone into doing what they do not want to do.
Oh, please. You're just saying that to make light of the situation.
No. I totally understand Nancy now.
You're going to make me cry.
Why? Don't cry.
I always pictured you two as the perfect couple with the perfect little children.
I understand, Mom. But it is what it is. There is nothing anyone can do about it.
Okay, ladies, please meet my man.
Baby, hello.
Mwah.
Come on, you look good.
I know.
Mom? What? Desmond?
Nancy.
Desmond, what are you doing with my mom? Hey, wait. What is going on here? Really? Are you not the girl at the convenience? Excuse me, do I know you? Oh, yeah, you're quite excused. Really? You're trying to pretend not to remember me. This man here is my boyfriend.
What? I don't even understand what is going on here. Mom, is this the guy you've been telling us about? Your boyfriend?
What's going on? And who is this thing? How did she enter my house?
She's my ex. We've broken up a long time ago.
And to be with a mother and her child You should be ashamed of yourself.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Because he clearly rejected you. Why are you forcing yourself on him?
Oh girl, you and your mother here should be the ones ashamed of yourselves. Yes, just take a good look at you. You and your mother fighting for Desmond's tiny dick. So funny. What do you want to do?
You don't know who you just spoke about. You should ask about me. Desmond, fix this.
Stay away from my mom.
Oh, girl. I bet you don't have a clue of whom you just insulted.
Oh, please.
Have you heard of the strong lady of the City of Light?
What?
Oh, you shocked? Oh, she's the one. She will make your life living hell.
What have I done?
Mom? So after the intriguing drama your boyfriend displayed a few hours ago here, you were seated, drinking red wine.
Red wine is good for the heart.
Mom, this is no joke. What was the meaning of that? Wait, does it mean you've known Desmond all this while?
What do you mean, non-Desmond? Of course I know him. He's my boyfriend.
Okay. Do you realize he's the same guy who's been stalking me and sending me flowers and love notes?
Oh my God, really? Oh, I had no idea.
Mom, this is no joke. I am serious.
Am I clowning?
Alright. So what do you intend to do about this whole thing?
What do you mean, what I intend to do? Of course I'm going to go on and continue to enjoy my man.
What man?
Desmond.
Look, Mom, I don't know if you understand me, but this same guy has been making advances towards me. He's been toasting me.
And you made light of his advances, didn't you?
Alright. I said no to him. You cannot, as my mother, fall for his cheap lies.
Cheap lies? Baby, I fell in love with him and he fell in love with me.
This is not love.
When two adults fall in love with each other, there is nothing like falling cheaply.
Mom, you need to stop this whole thing. You cannot carry on with that.
Why is that?
Because we have a family reputation to protect.
Oh, we do?
Yes. Mommy, I'm not joking. You have to stop.
Are you high or something?
I am not high. I am only trying to protect you and me.
You're not making any sense to me.
Nancy, can't you just calm down?
Can you stop telling me to calm down? Stop it.
What is your mother's fault at this?
Why would she insist to continue this nonsense with Desmond even after knowing he's the same guy who's been pestering me? Do you realize how condescending this is?
Look, girl,
if you ask me.
Well, I am not asking you, Edna. Because you will obviously say nonsense.
Okay, fine. Look, you have to calm down. We need to look for an amicable way to settle this whole thing.
Edna, Desmond can only listen from my mom. And my mom can only listen from you. So please, just tell her to let it go.
Nancy, please. Have you paused for a moment and asked yourself what this relationship means to your mother?
Please.
Anyway, when you got to the house, what was she doing?
Of course, she was enjoying herself and drinking wine. What else would she do?
That means she's having the fun of her life.
Please. Tell her to let it go. And if I don't, why would you do that?
Because I'm happy for her. I want this relationship to work.
Do you think I'm not happy for her? But I don't want Desmond for her.
My dear, I'm not going to do it. Instead, I'm going to help her build this relationship. Yes. You know, it is obvious which side you are on.
Nancy.
What are you doing with my mother?
Oh, first off, I had no idea she was your mom.
Oh, shut up and stop lying. What are you doing with my mom?
Your mom and I have something going on, so I don't know if you're cool with it.
No, I am not. I will not, and I am never going to be cool with it. So stop it from this minute.
You know it doesn't work that way. You made a choice when you sent me away. So see, your mom and I have found something we share so dearly. So you can't just end it.
Desmond, if you ever felt anything from me, please, grant me this one request. Stay away from my mother.
You know too well. You know that you felt more than the world to me. You made your choice. So you can't just guilt trip me into leaving your mom. I'm sorry.
I said no to you because I didn't want you. Why would you go after my mother?
No. We found ourselves.
Desmond, please. Stop it. Stop.
You just have to deal with it.
I don't need a man. I don't need a man. I don't need a man.
I don't care who you are, where you come from, what you do.
Yes, babe.
I don't care.
I'm downstairs. All right. Hey.
Hey.
Hello, Mel.
Hey, baby. Come on.
You like my look?
Of course.
I dressed nicely for you. Come here. Mwah. Mwah. So, you ready?
Of course.
You promised to spoil me silly today.
Anything for you.
I can't wait to see all you have planned out.
I got you.
Shall we? Oh.
Must they always rub into my face all the time? I will do something to stop that idiot from coming to this house.
You know you can't possibly do that. You're not.
Well, I don't have an issue with them doing love with them, but please, let them just calm down a little for my sake. The only problem is them rubbing it to my face. Why do you always take Bestie's side? Look, in as much as I really want to get my mind off this whole thing, I just have to do something to stop that guy from coming to this house. It's really getting on my nerves. And you know how I can feel too.
Yes, baby. Oh dear God, you are absolutely right. I had a swell time today with you. Oh, but you do know how to make me feel like a lady. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, baby, I love you. I love you. And I'll talk to you later. All right. Bye.
You know I hate what you're doing, right?
What am I doing? I mean, I just returned from having a swell time with the love of my life. Oh, look, baby, I understand how you feel.
No, you have no idea how I feel. Because if you did, you would not be going out with the same guy that came for me. Why are you not being with the same person who came for me before?
Have you had sex with him?
No.
Then the race is open. Let the winner take it all.
Am I supposed to be battling a man with my own mother?
You're my bestie. I'm your bestie. There is nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with two besties battling over the same man.
No one stands you, Mom.
No one can stand you either. You claim not to like this man, but there you are feeling all spicy about it.
I am doing it for my sanity, not because I like him.
Is that right? I believe you. Not.
How are you able to fall for this man? Didn't you see someone older?
Jealous, are you?
You're not.
You sure, baby?
Why would I be?
Because you don't have a man.
It's not my class, it's not my taste.
You want this one? It's up for grabs.
I don't want anything. Keep him.
I have him already.
What is wrong with me?
Oh, where is she going? To cry?
I feel this way. Oh, how can I escape this chain that's holding me down?
What are you doing in my house?
Come on. Can you relax? What's the problem? Okay, listen, Desmond. I know both of us had these very rough moments. But trust me, we can fix it.
Hey, there is nothing to fix. Okay?
Wait, Desmond. Are you joking right now? Don't tell me you're actually dating a mother
Hey, no.
and her child. Do you want to die?
I am not dating Nancy.
Oh, wait, you're not dating Nancy? Which means you're dating her mother instead.
Yes. That is the right one. Her mother, and I love her so much.
Come on. What's wrong with you? What on earth is happening to you right now? Come on, that woman is old. She's older than you, can't you see it?
That is the problem with people. They don't like to mind their business. Mind your fucking business, okay? Now get out of my house.
Can you say that again?
I said, get out of my house.
Desmond, you're asking me out of your house because of an old woman.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see about that.
What is wrong with me that makes my heart feel this way? Oh, how can I escape this chain that's holding me down? Oh, 'cause anytime that I see you, something happens in my heart, in my head. No matter how I try to fight it off, I hope this knows what I am thinking.
Take this and relax, okay?
Okay.
Relax. And tell me, do you have a fight with your mom? What happened?
I just need a place where I can stay for a little while. I need to get my head around this whole thing. It's been a handful.
You know, you are welcome to my house anytime, any day.
Thank you.
Tell me, are you in love with me?
No. That guy is the least of my problems right now. No, I'm not.
So why the uneasiness?
Because I have a family reputation to protect. All this lovey-dovey love of my life thing with this guy and my mom is going to ruin it.
Ruin it? I don't see anything wrong with that.
Do you know how many people that guy must have told that he's sleeping with my mom and I?
But you told me that you did not have any sex with him, or did you?
No, I did not.
So relax.
Relax and watch him ruin everything. Do you know how many people will be gossiping my mom and I out there in the streets? Friends, family, enemies?
Really? Listen to me, girl. People will always talk.
I just cannot stand sharing the same space with my mom right now. She irritates me.
This is not our fault. You had the opportunity.
Have you been listening to me at all? I am not regretting not having Desmond as my boyfriend or not dating him. I'm only saying that I was being rude over the fact that my mom should have not got into this whole relationship thing with Desmond.
She loves him, so you better stop fighting. Take your drink.
Are you high on something?
Take your drink. I'll look for food and make for you.
I don't want it. You keep it.
For real?
Just think for once. Just use your head. Everything in life is not about love. As a woman, have dignity. Have what you're fighting for, what you're protecting.
Ooh. Your mom is not complaining.
I am fighting for my mom and I. My family name.
She's not complaining. She's in love. So allow her to enjoy it. Yes. You want to work? Be the working class woman and leave your mother to
Am I not working?
You know
Haven't I been working?
You know
Do you want me to spoil it? Do you want that idiot to come and ruin everything we work for? I will not be alive and watch it happen. I will fight. I will stop it. In fact, I will spoil that relationship. Nonsense.
What God has joined together.
He has ruined my friendship with Bestie.
What God has joined together, Nancy, let no daughter put asunder. Period.
If I have to put asunder to save my mom, I will do it.
Okay. I trust your mother.
Just have sense for once. Think like a human being. You are educated. Have sense. Don't tell me you wasted your parents' money in school.
You that have sense.
I am using it. I am fighting for my family. What are you doing? You should join me as my friend and fight for me too.
Your mother is fighting for her.
Which love?
Leave her alone.
Is love feeding us?
Are you jealous?
I am working to feed my mom.
Are you jealous?
I am not jealous. I did not need a man.
She wants a man. She doesn't want to die alone. Go there, catch your mama. She needs someone that will cuddle her, kiss her, make love to her.
I should know you're just A crazy ass person. I should have gone to I.
You are missing all this thing. You need a man that will cuddle you. You need a man that will tickle you.
Oh,
Tell
please,
you
stop,
you look good.
stop,
You need it.
stop it.
You need a man.
Stop it.
You need a man. Mom, I don't understand. She still maintains that she has no feelings for Desmond.
And you believe her?
Not really. Just I don't know what to believe. Seriously, Mom.
You know Nancy is a very smart girl. Even at breaking point, she'll never admit.
Mom, are you saying she's doing all this out of jealousy?
With the writing on the wall. Read it. Read it.
We shouldn't let this break her. She's all we've got.
She's my daughter. I raised her from childhood to adulthood. I know what she likes, and I know how to make her happy.
So you're saying that you're going to fix this?
You can bet on it.
I trust you.
Hello, bestie. What's up? You left without saying goodbye, even to bestie.
Mom, I just needed somewhere to rest my head. This whole thing has just been a handful for me.
Oh, you poor thing. Tell me, which one hurts the most? I mean, which one do you detest even most vehemently?
The fact that I have to wake up every morning under the same roof as you and coming back to share the same space with my mother who is having an affair with a man who...
A man who you are obviously in love with, but are too proud to admit it, huh?
That's not the point.
That's the point, baby.
You know it.
That is the point. Otherwise, why are you so riled up? I know why. It's because Desmond and I love each other for real. And that is an information that you either have to contain or contend with.
Mom, why are you here?
This is why I'm here. I wanted you to look into my eyes and tell me that you truly, truly don't love Desmond.
Read my lips. Mom, I hate him. I detest him. And you know what? I am beginning to nurture the same feelings for you, bestie.
I don't blame you. I mean, that's expected. That's why I said you have to contain the information or contend with it.
Mercy, where are you going to?
I'm talking to you.
What are you and my mom doing?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Do not try it. Don't even dare play that dummy card with me, Edna, because I know it.
Your mom and I? Seriously, I don't understand. What?
I overheard you too clearly.
I heard everything. Now for the last time, Edna, what are you two up to?
Nancy, I don't know what you're talking about. And stop,
Edna!
Can you stop screaming at me like that? I'm not your servant.
Did you just raise your voice at me? Okay. I know how to handle this.
Nancy! She's really going crazy.
What are you doing here?
Desmond, we need to talk. It is very important.
I know, I can't talk to you right now.
Desmond. Can we talk?
See, what you need to do is just to go home and rest. Everyone knows that you're going crazy. So talking to me won't matter, or talking to anybody. Just go home and rest, okay?
Why would you say that to me? You're not a therapist.
I never said I was.
Nancy. Get a hold of yourself. Get a hold of your mind. Why is everyone acting crazy?
What is wrong with me that makes my heart feel this way? Oh, how can I escape this chain that's holding me down? Oh, 'cause anytime that I see you,
At least you should have just picked my call. I literally had my heart in my mouth, worrying about you. At least you should have just picked your call and tell me you're okay. I have something to tell you.
What is it?
Malcolm did not leave the country, as he said.
What? That is not true. So that bastard Malcolm lied to Bestie.
Maybe he later changed his mind for another woman, since the lady he came back to marry turned him off.
I have never liked Malcolm. Right back from when we were still kids.
I saw that in your eyes.
Oh. You read minds now?
Perhaps.
So tell me, what else do you see on my mind? Why are you holding my hands like that? Do you want to propose to me?
Nancy, I want you to be honest with me. It's just me and you, no one else.
Have I lied to you before?
No. I want you to be open and tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Okay.
Look into my eyes and tell me that you are not in love with Desmond.
Everything happened so fast. I don't know how I was able to fall in love with him. It is so strange. Yes, Edna, I think I love him. I think I like him. Or is he love?
It's okay. It's normal. It's called true love.
No, I don't think this is true love. Because Bestie has really fallen for him. They are madly in love with each other. You know, she even told me if I want him, I should battle for him.
Did you tell her you're in love with him?
No, I did not tell her anything. That was when I was still hiding under the guise of trying to protect our family image. And
Girl, you need to tell Mom. You have to tell her the truth.
and I cannot. Look, there should be another way around this. You just think of something. You're smart. You know men. You understand men. You've been with men before, so you should know something. Think.
What about what we talked about?
Well, I gave a thought to that, but
Are you going to do it?
Welcome.
Guess what?
Hello.
How is it?
I'm fine. Please sit.
Thank you.
Who is the beautiful lady?
Oh, the beautiful lady. Her name is Vivian. She is my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
Well, Vivian, it's lovely having you in my house.
Thank you very much, Mom.
You're welcome.
Malcolm here says a lot about you.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, bestie.
hi, Mom.
You're back. I was about to eat. Join me, would you?
Oh, of course. Let's go.
Hello. Baby, aren't you going to work today?
What was he doing here?
You mean Malcolm? Malcolm told me that the girl he wants to marry, he met about a week before he left the country. And guess what? They're getting married in about 3 months' time.
Good for him.
Bestie? You are still so bitter.
I can deal with myself.
Food is ready.
I am not hungry.
Are you coming?
Mom, I said I am not hungry.
I didn't hear that.
I am not hungry.
I'm sorry, talk to my good ear.
Mommy, can you just stop being dramatic?
Bestie, let's go and eat.
I am not hungry, Mommy.
You sit here and be depressed. Come on.
Stop. Mommy, stop this.
Here you go.
Why is Desmond here? Why is he here with bags?
He's here? Oh my God. He's here to spend a beautiful weekend with me.
What? Where? In which house? This house?
Yes.
What about what we spoke about before I came back?
I haven't exactly asked you to leave, have I?
So what about this?
Would you relax? Desmond is my man and he's here to stay. Let me go see him. Baby.
He's staying? No, Mom, you have to leave.
Babe, calm down. You're going to have to make up your mind and put up with this for as long as it lasts. supposed to be with you? Listen, I have told you to be gentle and civilized. See, we need to talk to Mom. The better we do it, the best for us. Babe, you did nothing wrong going back to your mother. She's not your enemy, but you are. She dropped the call. Oh God, Nancy. This girl will never change. Lassie, you actually turn yourself into a watchdog over your mother and her lover?
And now what would you have me do? Every single thing about them irritates me. I can't stand them.
For how long will you be a drop-in to know if they are having sex?
Every single night.
So you got disappointed?
I don't understand what is going on. Because in my presence, they are acting all lovey-dovey, doing all the love, romancing, kissing, calling themselves love of my life, this and all of that. But at night, I cannot hear any sound coming from Bestie's room.
Maybe they don't mourn while having sex.
Well, even at that, I should be able to hear something. Because I know my mom, she's loud.
So, are you saying that it's like a brother to your mother?
That is what I don't understand. I don't know what to think. I don't know how to... You know, I should be able to hear something. Maybe when they are kissing or when they are romancing or anything. You know how lovers do. You've been married before. Hello? What's amusing about this?
Nothing.
What's funny?
See the way you're so emphasizing about them having
because
sex.
I am worried. I can't hear any. I don't know if they are in love or they.
Can't you just allow the lovebird to have fun? Since you don't want it, just be happy for them for once. Be happy for your mother. I'll be in my office if you need me for any business.
Edna, you're crazy. Or is it me who is crazy? Am I going crazy?
Desmond.
Yeah.
Look, I am not stopping you to ask for a favor or to beg you for something. I
know you too well. You don't ask for a favor, neither do you beg for something. But it's fine.
Okay. Hey! I can see you and my mom are going along so well. So you know what? Never mind. How do you get to know where I live?
Well, that is not the question I expected from you.
What are you expecting?
Maybe how you can be of help to me.
I owe you nothing. Like, I seriously owe you nothing. Oh, I get it. You're having misunderstanding with Desmond, right? Sure. Don't be surprised, okay? Listen, this is a computer age. Okay, so people should get to come across so many informations about people. People like you, I guess.
Please, I didn't come here for all this schooling and all this lectures. I only came here to find out how I can get Desmond back.
Really?
What is funny?
Are you playing? Hey, God. So let me tell you, if I knew what that was, your mother wouldn't have taken him away from me. Do you understand me now? Listen, let me tell you something though. You don't force things. Just let it be. What will be, will definitely be.
I used to think that love was just a game, but you came and changed the rules. I built this wall so high and strong, but you broke through. Now I'm a fool. I never saw it coming, didn't have a clue that it's love.
Can you just maintain a spot and allow me focus? No, what is this?
What?
Stop yelling at me! When I advised you about this, what did you say to me?
Babe, are you high on something?
That doesn't sound like me.
How on earth will you go and see that girl? That was quite condescending, you know that. The best way to know about a man is to talk to his last girlfriend. What if his last girlfriend was a side chick? I didn't say side chick, I said girlfriend. Still does not roll the fact that what you did was quite condescending. Listen to me. I think it's time for us to do the impossible.
What is the impossible?
You know what? Pick up your phone. Call your mother. Tell her that you want to see her. You want to have a talk with her. She and Desmond. If she grants you the audience, tell her that you are happy for...
I am not happy for those two.
That you have realized that you and Desmond were not meant to be.
Why would you wish me that?
That you have realized also that you are not going to fight anymore.
Well, my mom made it very clear to me that it was going to be a battle between she and
And
me.
also that you are going to live your life and allow them to live their happy lives.
You're silly. Can you stop giving me a madman's advice?
Can you stop cutting me? I am not sorry.
If I would have said that, trust me, you will not be coming from my heart.
At least you would have cleared the coast.
I did not say I was clearing any coast yet!
Nancy, for once in your life,
accept defeat. For once, it won't kill you.
Are you high or something? What cheap drug do you take? Are you on colors?
Another fight?
No, I'm not here for a fight.
And what are you here for?
I want us to have a conversation, a sane conversation.
Why?
Because there are things I want to let up, and Desmond has to be here.
Why?
Because his presence is important.
No, why?
What I want to say is concerning 3 of us.
Why?
Mom, can you just stop? This is serious.
Okay. I'll talk to my baby, and whatever he says, I'll let you know.
What? Why are you being all official about this?
Because the matter has gone beyond just you and I. There's other people's feelings involved now.
You just come my house, small balloons, small, maybe just one fine wine, it's okay. I just want to do this thing quickly and get married to her and settle down. She's love of my life. So just a small engagement party. Engagement party.
Engagement party. Did I hear him well? Desmond wants to get married to Bestie.
I used to think that love was just a game.
How did he get to this level?
Before you came and changed the rules. I built this wall so high and strong. But you
Your mom is making it too official. I don't understand.
Now see what I've been telling you.
I mean, no matter what, you are still a daughter. It's okay to cry. You can cry, but please, I don't want you to break down. Please.
We'll try. I got this. I'll try. You know, yesterday I got back home and I met Desmond, though Bestie wasn't around. I overheard him making a call and he was telling someone they are planning to do their engagement party.
Babe, like I said, it's okay for you to cry. Please be strong, okay? If you need me to be around, you know, I'm here for you.
No, Edna. You've done enough already. I just want me, Desmond and Bestie. Because if you're around, you remind me of how bad I used to treat him. And I don't want to feel that way anymore. Thank you.
It's okay. I understand. And I'm proud of you. That reminds me. I bumped into Desmond on my way to the office. He invited me for their engagement party. He sent me the card for the party.
He did?
Yeah.
And when were you planning to tell me?
I was going to do that. But when I came in, your mood was somehow, so I forgot to tell. Just take a look.
So there is even an invitation card. And now how come no one is telling me about everything? Not even Bestie, not even you. Am I really that bad?
No, don't say that. You know, I will tell you about your mom. Maybe she thinks you're still the enemy.
Desmond said that.
No, I think so.
This is the same time and date Bestie said I should come to the house in regards to what I had to say to her and Desmond.
No way.
Yes.
So what are you going to do now?
I'm not doing this. How do you expect me to talk to them in front of all those people? I cannot. I won't. You know, I didn't want to do this in the first place. You forced me and you convinced me into doing it. At this point, I am backing up. I am not doing it. You know what? Just wish them well. Tell them I'm happy for them. God will bless their home. It's gonna be well for them. Tell them I just wish them the best. I wish them the best. Yes. I wish them the best. I wish them the best.
I used to think that love was just a game, but you came and changed the rules. I built this wall so high and strong. I just don't want them together, and I don't want them together. Why don't you guys get it? I never saw it coming, didn't have a clue that it's love. It's love.
What are you doing here? I thought I warned you never to show up here.
Desmond, truly, I'm not here to quarrel with you. Sorry, I didn't tell you before coming though. But I had to. I heard you'll be having an engagement party with Clarion. If so, I said to come and congratulate you since I won't be there to say it. And one more thing. I want you to know that wherever you are and whatever you do in life, I'll always pray for you. As for me, my heart will definitely move on. And truly, I learned from my mistakes and hoping to correct them.
Hold on. How did you find out about the engagement?
It doesn't matter. Okay, be good.
Are you sure about this? What are you doing here? Yes, you.
I invited her. I thought you said Desmond gave you the invitation card.
And what is she doing here?
Oh,
I gave her the card too.
Mom? Do you mind explaining to us all what is going on here?
I think I can spin this around. I might have a deal for you.
Okay.
It's a 50-50 bargain. If you win him back, good for you. If you don't, you'll lose him to another.
Tell me about it, Ma.
I'm going to need you to play along with me. Because I want that young man to marry my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ma. Ma, you barely know this young man we're talking about. So how on earth do you want to trap him into your daughter's net?
I am Lady Clarion. I never miss a target.
Okay, fine. But remember, I won't allow you to take my man away from me. But then, I think we should go with your plans. I'm game.
Like I said earlier, it's a 50-50 bargain. While the game is on, feel free to try to win him back. But know this, if you lose, I'll reward you flourishingly.
No problem. Even though I know this won't work.
Maybe you should give it the benefit of doubt.
Okay.
Mommy, this is really crazy. I'm not sure this is going to work.
It's all right to nurture doubt. But the most important thing to do after nurturing doubt is to pick up oneself and try again.
How are we going to even do this? How?
We will be working closely with his girlfriend, Ifunanya. I have her support. She's going to be very instrumental to this. I want all of us to be on the same page. You people will always have to keep me updated with information.
It's okay, Mommy.
She must not suspect a thing.
Trust me. Not even a clue.
That means the best time to strike is now.
Right now.
And get on with it.
Sure. Sure. So, Mom, I will call you and give you all the updates, okay?
All right. Well, hello. Aren't you the rude guy?
Excuse me?
The rude guy. You don't remember me?
I do. The woman fighter, yeah?
Oh, so that's what you're going to remember me by. What's wrong? You look burdened.
Yes, I am.
Tell me about it.
No, not my kind of problem.
A problem shared is half solved.
Okay. I've been trying to get the wrong girl, and she told me off a while ago.
What kind of girl is the wrong girl?
The one who would never give you attention no matter what you say or how hard you try.
I see. Tell me more.
Yeah, I know. I think I've said enough.
My name is Clarion. I am the mother to the girl you were talking about.
So what?
You heard me. Edna, her friend, told me about the argument you two had earlier.
You know Edna?
Did you not hear me say the girl is my daughter? I know you. And your girlfriend has told me pretty much everything I need to know.
Oh.
I want you to marry my daughter.
What?
You don't need to do much. I'll handle it.
Are you for real? Like, really?
All you have to do is pretend to be my boyfriend.
No, ma'am. This is going to ruin everything.
No. All I want to achieve is to teach my daughter the pain of losing a good man. Especially when the man in question is in love with her mother.
Wow. This is crazy. How did you even come up with this?
Are you game or not?
Of course, I'm game for your daughter. I'm game, Mom. Will you marry me?
Oh my God. Say yes.
Say yes.
Say yes.
Say yes.
Say yes.
Say yes, babe.
Say yes. Say it out, yes. Finally. Oh my God.
Small, small.
Say it loud.
I love you. Huh? To think that I got a horse.
Girl, that slap was like a very hot tatachi.
I beat you to it, didn't I?
Mommy, you're smart.
I know.
Best mother in the world.
And give me love.
You know you two should be in the movies.
Give me love. You always be my little girl.
Cool.
I got you. Come on.
Son-in-law.
Yes, Mama.
I used to think that love was just a game. Or you came and changed the rules. I built this wall so high and strong, but you broke through.